The ongoing legal saga between Hollywood exes Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie has taken another turn, with tensions escalating as they prepare to face off in court. The latest development revolves around Pitt's strong opposition to Jolie's request for access to his private communications, particularly those related to a highly publicized 2016 incident aboard a family plane. This new legal skirmish is unfolding within the larger context of their protracted dispute over Chateau Miraval, the former couple's French winery. Jolie sold her shares in the winery in 2022, a move Pitt contends was done secretly and without his consent. In the ensuing legal battle, Jolie's legal team recently filed a motion requesting Pitt to disclose a wide range of third-party communications he had around the time of the 2016 family plane ride. This incident is significant as it preceded Jolie's filing for divorce and involved allegations of Pitt's behavior towards their children. However, Brad Pitt and his legal team are vehemently resisting this request. In new court documents obtained by various news outlets, Pitt's lawyers have labeled Jolie's demands as wide-ranging and intrusive, characterizing them as a sensationalist fishing expedition. They have formally asked the judge to deny Jolie's motion, arguing that Pitt's private third-party communications from that period are simply not relevant to the current dispute over the sale of the winery shares. Pitt's legal team argues that Jolie is attempting to use this business dispute as a means to relitigate their highly contentious divorce case. They claim that her request for these private communications is a tactic to bring up past issues and sensationalize the situation rather than focusing on the core matter of the winery sale. They assert that these private exchanges with third parties are far removed from the central allegations of the winery dispute and have, at best, a tenuous connection to what actually transpired on that 2016 flight. This isn't the first time the former couple has clashed over the disclosure of information. Earlier in May, a judge ruled that Jolie must produce 8 years worth of non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, she has entered into. Pitt's legal team has previously stated that Pitt had offered to buy Jolie's shares of the winery when she decided she wanted out of the business. However, they allege that she refused the deal because he insisted on an NDA as part of the agreement. Pitt's legal team has aimed to demonstrate that Jolie's own history of using NDAs with her staff undermines her objections to a similar agreement with Pitt. The battle over these private messages is just the latest chapter in what has become a long and complex legal fight between Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie. While the core issue remains the sale of the Chateau Miraval winery,